Engraving baseballs is probably one of my most profitable items that I sell. I get these baseballs anywhere from $1 to $2 a piece, and I sell them between $25 and $30. I typically sell them in a set as well for teams, so don't be sleeping on sports related items because typically parents are willing to spend the money, especially with all the senior nights that happen. People want a special moment for their children, and these are honestly just the perfect idea. Huge profit margin, and it takes less than 5 minutes to engrave. And today we're going to be using the xTool F1 Ultra. Anytime I get a baseball order, I like to use the xTool F1 Ultra just because it gives me some wiggle room, but you can easily do this on the xTool F2 as well. So I just 3D printed this little adapter here for the jigs that I like to make. And there's just 2 little thumb screws here. And then I can put my little baseball jig in here, just like so. And then that's good to go. And then I can put my baseball in here. Now we can see that our baseball is out of focus. So let's get it in focus. I don't know how easily you can see that. So now that it's in focus, I want to defocus it slightly because it's a curved surface and I'm just using the normal processing mode. So I like it where the dots are right next to each other. So we have our graphic here and I'm going to update it with the one that we got from the order. I get these orders through Etsy. I'm not going to show you only because I don't want to have to blur out all the different information. So you can play around with, you know, the sizing of stuff, but this is my kind of little graphic that I've made. It works pretty well. So with this ready, I can frame this out and then I can just manually adjust my baseball to make sure it's in a good spot where it's not going to look weird or twisted or whatever. So that's looking pretty good to me. And then the settings for this, we're going to use 57 power, 500 speed, 2 passes, 300 lines per centimeter. You can increase the power if you want it darker, but this gives me the look that I want. So I'm going to hit process. And these are very profitable because it normally takes under 2 minutes. So there you go, 1 minute and 19 seconds. Let's hit start. Now, because we're using the blue light, you need to make sure you're putting on safety glasses so that your eyes remain safe and you're not gonna lose an eye or go blind. So then I'll always make sure to check it without moving anything in case I need to do another pass. This looks perfect though, and it came out looking stunning, and so that is one order done for us, and then we can move on to the next one. And then all I do is just keep the little piece of plastic that it comes in, put it back in there, and then put it in a box. But now that we got our first order done, I need to make 20 more of these, and then I'm going to package them all up and take them to the post office. Now, obviously the last step is to get a box, or if you're going to get one of those poly mailers, and then just put your item that you're selling in there. So I just use some simple packing tape, and I just put about 2 strips on. Then we can put our item in. So these are all going to the same place. Then I will seal up the other side. And then all you have to do is put your label on and then take it to the post office. So selling custom orders can be super easy and profitable, and I just wanted to show you how easy it can actually be. If you enjoyed watching this video and you think it helped, please like and subscribe to the video. I have a lot of other content that you might be interested in regards to lasers and small business and just making money in general, so make sure you check some of that out. And I'll see you on the next one. See ya!